All right, let's start with going to myannualreport.com. This is myannualcreditreport.com. Scroll down, www.annualcreditreport.com. This is the one I want to go to. As we go here, the reason we go here, annualcreditreport.com is the only source for your free credit reports authorized by federal law. Although you use credit monitoring, we use these to pull your credit report to do the actual dispute. We use the credit monitoring to then monitor our disputes after and monitor our credit reports to whether or not something's being added or removed. But in order to start your process, you want to pull your annualcreditreport.com report, and you're going to go through the prompts, request your free credit report, 3 steps to your free credit report, fill out a form, pick the reports you want, request and review reports online. Request your credit reports, fill in all your personal details. Once you fill in your personal details, you then request which credit reports you want. Remember, you have 3 different credit reports: Equifax credit report, an Experian credit report, and a TransUnion credit report. There could be something on Equifax that's not on Experian or TransUnion. There could be something on Experian that's not on either, and vice versa. So always pull all 3 credit reports, or if you're only dealing with something specific on one credit report, pull that specific credit report. Once you go through, you choose your 3 credit reports, you go to next. It's going to take you to verify your identity. You're going to do that for each one and click this button at the top, say get your next report or finish. It's going to take you to your next report, which is Experian. Sometimes you get this alert. You can either call Experian and ask them why. For me, it's because I think it's because I just got a report within the last 7 days. So prior to the pandemic, you could only get, I think, 1 report a year. But after the post pandemic, you're able to get 1 report every 7 days.